Hi friends, I wanted to share with you a little bit of happy mail. I'm doing a swap with someone, and so I wanted to just share with you what I was sending her. Her name's Amanda, and so first off, I'm sending her this tag. I embossed this leaf tag, and we have decided just to do a small kind of envelope sized happy mail. So I tried to make things that were kind of flat and that would fit in an envelope. And then I did another embossed um, card here that she could turn into a journal card if she wanted. She could back it. She could make it a pocket on a page. She could cut it in half and make it 2 pockets. Lots of different options with that. And then I left this one kind of plain so she could decorate it up if she wanted to. She said that she liked nature and she liked pinks and aquas. And so that's kind of what I was going with. And so this is a new die that I picked up. It was on clearance, and I really love the bumblebees and the flowers. And I left it plain so she could ink it up if she wanted to. You know, she could, do whatever she wanted with that. And then I made her this cute little, she also said she loved Paris. So I made her this cute little, just like a little, booklet, and just took some of my scraps, a lot of my vintage papers, and just put it in here. This is a tea-dyed little baby index card. And so I made that for her. And then I also found some really pretty, these have nice pinks in them. Some little butterfly. There's some blues in there that she likes. And then I had made these little Polaroid frames. And so I thought I would give her one of these Polaroid frames and she could enjoy that. And then I also stuffed this. This is one of these. I did a video on how to make these guest check pockets, and I just stuffed it with some fun little, tried to find blues and pinks, and little French inspired little pieces here that she could use for all kinds of different stuff. And then some little cut aparts, and then a little cluster that I made with some blue, and then a little vintage playing card, and a little pink doily, and then a little piece of paper with some birds and butterflies on it. And then here is the guest check decorated. So I really hope that she likes the Happy Mail. And yeah, I haven't done a lot of swaps, so it's kind of fun. We'll see how it goes, if I'll do more or not. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of share that with you all, what I made. And she's over in my Junk Journal Friends Facebook group, so if you'd like to join that. It's a very chill, there's no selling, nothing like that over there. We're just kind of a very chill group, and we just like sharing our ideas with each other. All right, I will see you all in the next video. Bye for now.